Men, do you want to be the stallion? Don't let your women know that you're using the Jamaican stone, as she screams with pleasure and has no idea why you are like a tiger. It's because of the Jamaican stone. Apply a little bit of Jamaican stone on the head of your penis. Wash off. 15 minutes later, watch out. Sexual pleasure will be intensified. Again, if you're looking for the original Jamaican lumpstone, this is what it looks like here. And if you're looking for the original Jamaican lumpstone, always look for this label here. This is the trusted label, original Jamaican lumpstone. Again, if you want to increase your sexual pleasure in the bedroom, get the Jamaican stone, men's little secret. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Also, Jamaican Stone sells this product.